Okay, so we are on our way back. Zach is a little cold, I think, because he just does not want to go forward. So, yeah, so we did a small loop. We're probably here about 40 minutes, 45 minutes maybe. Just because it's a little cold for Zach. When we go home, I'll probably drop these two dogs off, or the three small ones. And I'll probably take Chewy and Hazel out to the nearby off-leash, just so they can have a little bit more runaround time. I usually like them to be out for about an hour and a half. Yeah, and today, because of the smaller dogs, we're cutting it a bit short. We don't want them to have a bad park experience. As you can see, Zach is leading the way. And then initially he didn't want to go, so we had to carry him. Yep. Good boy. Good job, guys. Good boy. Good boy, Ollie. Good girl, Hazel. Yeah, Zach is all the way up there. Look at that. He is just Speedy Gonzalez on the way back.